They can weigh well over 1,000 pounds and measure almost 10 feet in length. The polar bear is truly gigantic. But the tide of history may be turning against this fierce hunter. High levels of PCBs and other pollutants have dramatically affected the polar bear's ability to reproduce. As the ice cover in the frozen north continues to shrink, the amount of territory available to these bears and the amount of time that they have to hunt on the ice pack also decreases.
Polar bears, also known as sea bears or Ursus maritimus, are the largest non-aquatic predators. The size and the weight of a polar bear depends on if it's a male or a female. Female polar bears weigh from 200 to 700 pounds and are 6 to 8 feet tall. Male polar bears weigh from 600 to 1,700 pounds and are 8 to 10 feet tall. The largest polar bear on record was found in Alaska in 1960 and weighed 2,200 pounds and was 11 feet tall. Polar bears are found in cold places around the world. Polar bears live in the Arctic. They are found in Alaska, Norway, Canada, Russia, and Greenland. Over two-thirds of the population live in Canada. And in 2008, scientists predicted that there were between 20,000 and 25,000 polar bears. Polar bears' average lifespan is 15 to 18 years. There are 19 species of polar bears, all which are becoming extinct.
Global warming does not affect just human life, but many other living species on the Earth as well. Polar bears are affected particularly harshly. This is due to the effect global warming has on the ice in the Arctic. As each summer gets warmer, more ice melts and more of the sea is exposed to the heat. This in turn warms the sea, and when winter comes around, less ice is able to form due to the higher temperatures. The polar bears rely on the ice for many reasons. First and foremost, they rely on the ice to be able to hunt, specifically for seals, their main source of food. They also use the ice to live and breed on. The polar bear population has not yet significantly decreased, though their average body weight and reproduction rate have noticeably gone down. Because of this, the U.S. listed the polar bear as threatened species under the Endangered Species Act. This also happened in Canada and Russia.
There are many ways you can help protect the polar bears. One of the most important ways is to help the polar bears live greener. The Coca-Cola Company teamed up with the WWF, World Wildlife Foundation, to raise awareness to live greener. Ways you can live greener are to turn off the lights when you're not in the room, to save water by taking shorter showers, recycling, and many other ways you can help save the polar bears.